You are continuously programmed to think that you need money to survive. To break through your money thoughts, you need more than some motivational speaking or mindset reprogramming. If your money thoughts become money beliefs, can you imagine their power? If you are not conscious enough, you will be back on the old track very soon. When I have time, I like to reorganize things in my bedroom, kitchen, and etc. because I want to see items placed where I believe they belong. But interestingly, I often lost track of those things I put away. I forgot I had moved them, and I forgot where I put them. I would still go to their usual place, although not the right place, trying to find them, because I got so used to it. Did you have the same experience? If you did, have you wondered why? My topic today might give you a hint. You might have heard that humans are animals with thoughts. How do you think your thoughts form? Your brain? Your thoughts are what your body creates. If you believe only brain generate ideas, you are limited. Brain is just part of your body. In addition to your brain, other parts of your body also create thoughts. When you have an empty stomach, the thought of eating will come. When you get a mosquito bite, the thought of scratching will come. When some strangers stay too close to you, even though you can't see them, the thought of worry will come. So thoughts are just the natural process of how your body reacts to the surroundings. The same as your money mindset or money thoughts. They are how your body reacts to any type of money situation. I remember since I was little, my parents often had arguments about anything related to money. Like, this thing was too expensive, it's a waste of money to do this and that. They said they didn't have enough saving in the bank, they had no choice but to work harder to make money, and so on. Growing up in such an environment, I had naturally developed the thought that money is scarce and hard to earn. I would easily be irritated and worry about money whenever I saw my bank account balance decrease. I was hesitant to spend money, even though I knew it was worth it. You see, that money thoughts affect my life for a long time. The fact is, I was aware that I had that money scarcity mindset for a long time, but couldn't break it, no matter how many positive money talks I listened to. Until one day, I touched a little bit of my true existence in life. So, if you've grown up in a family like mine, you might have a similar type of money mindset. If you've grown up in a family where your caregivers purposefully avoid talking about money, you might have a different money idea. If you've grown up in a rich family where you were never pressured by money, you might have another kind of money mindset. What's your money mindset you noticed? Comment below and let me know. Whatever money mindset you have, it is neither good nor bad. But they have limitations because they are not your thoughts in the first place. They are what you are programmed to by your environment. When you are put into a particular environment long enough, your thoughts become beliefs that will engrave into your body and your mind. If your money thoughts become money beliefs, can you imagine their power? Even though your situation changes, your beliefs won't easily change. That's how powerful money beliefs can be. That's why most money mindset programs will work just for a short period. Because during the program, you might be motivated and change your thoughts about money. But once the program ends and you return to your usual environment, if you are not conscious enough, you will be back on the old track very soon. Do you ever wonder why you can rarely hold on to your New Year's resolutions? Why did you gain back what you've lost in the weight loss program? It's the same reason as your money thoughts. Once your mind and body form a certain compulsions, you will follow them voluntarily and can hardly change. Remember that experience I shared at the beginning? Now you understand. So your thoughts about money are one kind of compulsion. Since you were born, your surroundings have been programming you. Think about it. Your family, your schools, society, and now the vast internet. Everywhere you go, you hear people talking about the living, the economy, the jobs, the business. It doesn't matter whether they talk positively or negatively. You are continuously programmed to think that you need money to survive, so money becomes a must-have in your life. To break through your money thoughts, you need more than some motivational speaking or mindset reprogramming. What you need is to work on the core. You need some serious practices which can go deeper than your programmed compulsions. Otherwise, a slight change might happen here or there, but most of the time you will still find yourself struggling with money, no matter what your money situation changes to. You're watching Delphine's Taboo Talk. Agree or not, no one can avoid those taboos. Are you brave and conscious enough to see the truth behind it? Let's discover together. 混元灵通。好了。